All aspects of our lives such as modes of transportation, diets, and our homes are experiencing a growing trend since people are becoming more socially and environmentally conscious. Sustainability has become more fashionable than anything else, even when it comes to home furniture. Are you looking for new furniture or would like to buy new furniture anytime soon? If so, it may be a good idea to consider a green solution such as scrap wood furniture. Reusing wood scraps preserves natural resources, creates fewer waste, and requires less processing. If you are a curious woodworker, you can make scrap wood items for sale online or in local fairs. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we are here to show you a collection of easy-to-make scrap wood project ideas that you make and sell. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post wood-made furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. As we have previously mentioned, there are several benefits of reusing scrap wood. While you watch these beautiful scrap wood project ideas, let's talk about some of the major reasons that make scrap wood furniture an environmentally friendly and fashionable option for home furniture. Number 1. Preserves natural resources. Reclaimed wood furniture preserves natural resources as it preserves natural timber resources by reducing the need for new logging. Therefore, more trees won't have to be cut to make furniture, hence giving trees more time to grow. Trees that are given more time to grow are often durable and produce quality timber. Products made from quality timber last longer and are more versatile, meaning that they offer value for money as they can be used for many years. Number 2. Creates fewer watershed toxins and less waste. Lumber used in some of the scrap or reclaimed wood furniture is sourced from existing products like barns, sheds, and other structures. Some people use reclaimed wood from fishing boats. This repurposing of wood is important as it helps reduce the amount of lumber that is usually thrown away. Wood sourced from barns, sheds, and boats is long-lasting, making it good for reclaimed wood furniture. In addition, reclaimed wood reduces the need for refining chemicals used in the process of lumber production. This is because of the fact that reclaimed wood is often treated after being harvested. What this means is that with the use of scrap wood helps reduce the amount of harmful chemicals used in the lumber industry. This is important as these chemicals can leach into water or soil and lead to watershed pollution. Number 3. Reclaimed wood furniture requires fewer paints and stains. The rustic look when it comes to furniture is becoming more and more popular, especially in North America, where all interior decorating and design magazines showing how this look can make a home's interior beautiful. A reclaimed wood tabletop or piece of furniture often provides this rustic look furniture naturally, meaning that you don't have to use paints, stains, and other related chemicals to refine reclaimed wood furniture, as this is the trendy look many are looking for. The problem with these chemical treating agents is the fact that they negatively affect our environment. As a result, it is good to try as much as possible to avoid using these chemicals or reduce their use to protect the environment. Whenever you make any decisions, it is good to consider how the decision you will be making will affect your life, the lives of others, and the health of the environment and atmosphere. Doing so will help you make an informed decision and choose what is right. It is good to consider eco-friendly options when making decisions. Scrap wood can make your home beautiful, but even more importantly, it can provide great benefits to the earth. The next time you redecorate, take the time to consider whether scrap wood could fit into your household's aesthetic. The environment, and your housemates, will thank you. The items you can make from scrap wood are countless. You can make these scrap wood projects as purely decorative pieces or as functional as well as decorative pieces. Scrap wood projects are completed with a fraction of the cost of using new materials. Thus, your products will be very competitive in the market. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked scrap wood project ideas for sale. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.